tour guide today.
Yeah, we're going to see one of the most beautiful aspects of Hawaii. It's called the KD Marine Center. Can't find anything like it nowhere else in the world.
It is a long-standing tradition with Hawaiians that when someone needs help, the whole family, the ohana, pulls together to get the job done. This is known as sharing your aloha.
It's been this clean the whole time, Wayne, we promise.
Yeah, right. And this is what the Maritime Preservation Trust is all about. To preserve our maritime heritage and these fine watercraft, we have to share a lot of aloha. Vida Mia is an icon here in Hawaii. She is well worth saving. Vida Mia is a Coast Guard inspected vessel. She takes passengers for hire. These necessary repairs had to be made so she could go back into service. The Coast Guard found some pretty extensive rot in the transom and in the lazarette. As well as worm damage in the cutlass bearing housing blocking. When I got there, the crew had already laminated new frames in the lazarette. One of the most challenging parts of this job was removing the old lead stern tube. One of the problems with Hawaii is it's a long way from my tools, and shipping is very expensive. This was going to be difficult no matter how we did it. And once you got started, you had to finish. We started with a piece of pipe cut on a taper with a cutter in it. This would cut the lead pipe and pull it away from the side of the hole. Once that was done, we could go in with a Forstner bit mounted on a pipe and cut the lead away. We worked at this from both ends. It took 3 days of hard, grueling work to get the old lead stern tube out. When the last piece of the stern tube finally gave way, it was quite a celebration.
Is that it? All right. Yay!
Once the old lead stern tube was removed, the new fiberglass stern tube could be installed. One of the tools I could bring to Hawaii was my laser. This made building the blocking for the cutlass bearing a lot easier and kept everything perfectly aligned. While I was busy removing the stern tube, Ruben and the crew were busy removing the old transom fashion pieces and patterning up and shaping new ones. like to share your aloha and help with this project, please visit the Vida Mia website.